can first of all we'll see the algebra of complex number. So what are the algebra? If we have z1 a plus ib and z2 c plus id, then z1 equals to z2 हमने कहा, it means what? It means a plus ib is equal to c plus id. Okay, so real part should be equal to the real one and imaginary part should be equals to imaginary. It means a is equal to c and b equals to d. Okay, so these are the two complex number. अगर हमारे पास two given complex number हैं, like this one and this one, and it is written like it is given that या फिर we know that in some question it's given z1 is equal to z2. अगर ये given है in then it can only be equal if and only if the real part equals to real and imaginary equals to imaginary. So A should be equal to C and B should be equal to D. Okay, this is all about the equality. Now we'll talk about addition. Addition. If Z1 plus Z2 क्या होगा? Z1 plus Z2 means A plus IB plus C plus ID. Okay, it means a plus c जो होगा that will be the real part and b plus id, I we can take common, b plus d. It means real part of z1 plus z2 will be equal to a plus c and imaginary part of z1 plus z2 will be equal to b plus d. And what is a? You can see a is real part of real part of z1 is equal to a and real part of z1 is a and real part of z2 is c. Similarly, imaginary part of z1 is b and imaginary part of z2 is d. Okay, so basically देखो real part of z1 is a and real part of z2 is c, imaginary part of z1 is b and imaginary part of z2 is d. ठीक है, so basically it is what? Real part of z1 plus z2 is what? It is just real part of z1 plus real part of z2 है ना. Real part of z1 is a and real part of z2 is c. Similarly, imaginary part of z1 plus z2 is what? It's just imaginary, it's the sum of imaginary part of z1 plus imaginary part of z2. Okay, so this is all about addition. Now we'll see the subtraction. Same thing we have to do in subtraction. z1 minus z2 is equal to क्या होगा? That will be equal to a plus ib minus c plus id. It means a minus c plus I into b minus d. So real part of z1 minus z2 will be equal to a minus c. It means what? It means real part of z1 minus z2 is equal to real part of z1 minus real part of z2. Okay. Similarly, imaginary part of z1 minus z2 will be equal to b minus d. b minus d. It means what? Imaginary part of z1 minus z2 is equal to imaginary part of z1 minus imaginary part of z2. ठीक है. Now, this is all about addition and subtraction. Okay, now we'll see multiplication also. Before that, we'll see some properties of addition. Okay, there are some properties of addition. So property number 1, if z1 plus z2 is there, so z1 plus z2 will be equal to z2 plus z1. There will be no change. Okay, so and 2, Next, if Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3 is there, so that will be equal to Z1 plus Z2 plus Z3. Okay. Next property, Z1 plus 0 will be equal to 0 plus Z1, and that will be equal to Z1. Okay. When we are adding 0, there will be no change. It will remain same. And Z plus Z bar, it means what? अगर 3 plus 4i है and plus 3 minus 4i करेंगे, so what we'll get? 4i cancel होगा, we'll get only 2 times of 3. Okay, so what we are getting? 2 times of real part of z, अगर z and z bar लिया है हमने तो. Okay, so this what we'll get here? 2 times of real part of z. Okay, now next property, z1 plus z2 whole bar, it will be z1 bar plus z2 bar. कैसे होगा? If z1 is equal to a plus, अच्छा वही लेते हैं, a plus ib and z2 is equal to c plus id. Okay, तो z1 bar will be equal to a minus ib and z2 bar will be equal to c minus id. ठीक है, so z1 z2 bar एक साथ लेते तो z1, first of all z1 plus z2 क्या होगा? a plus c plus I b plus d. Okay, then z1 plus z2 whole bar will be equal to a plus c minus I b plus d. Okay, now here if we'll take this one, z1 plus z1 bar plus z2 bar, it will be equal to a plus c as it is, minus हम common ले लेंगे and then I हम common लेंगे b plus d. Okay, so basically we getting same thing, a plus c. Okay, so this way we can say that z1 plus z2 whole bar will be equal to z1 bar plus z2 bar. Okay, so these are the properties of complex addition of complex number. Okay, addition of complex number के लिए ये properties हैं. Okay, one more thing is there, if z is a plus ib, we are just seeing the scalar multiplication of complex number. Okay, so scalar multiplication real number के जैसा ही रहेगा, same as real number. So k, when we are multiplying, k is a scalar number and we are multiplying the complex number z with k, so what we'll get? k से ये multiply करेंगे, we'll get a plus ib यहाँ, तो what we'll get? k into a plus I into kb. Okay, this way. Okay, simple multiplication. Okay, now addition, subtraction, scalar multiplication हमने देखा. Now we'll do sums based on this one. कुछ sums करते हैं, then it will be more clear. Okay, if we have a question, z1 is equal to 4 plus 3i and z2 is equal to 2 plus I. Okay, then what will the value of z1 minus z2? So z1 minus z2 we can write directly to 4 minus 2 and I 3 minus 1, ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं, but simply हम लिखते हैं this is 4 plus 3i and this one is minus करना है ना, यहाँ पे minus है. Okay, so 2, here we have written z1 minus z2 ना, तो minus here we'll write here 2 plus I. So I का मतलब क्या हुआ? 1 into I. Okay, so 4 plus 3i minus 2 minus I. So 4 minus 2 will be 2 and 3 minus 1i will be equal, this will be equal to 2 plus 2i. Okay, now one more question we'll do. If z1 is equal to 7 plus I, z2 is equal to 4i and z3 is equal to minus 3 plus 2i, ऐसा given है. Okay, so what we have to do, then we have to find out the value of 2z1 minus 5z2 plus 2z3. Okay, we have to find out the value. So 2 into z1, तो पहले तो 2 into z1, 7 plus I, or 7 plus I ना, 7 plus I, minus 5 into z2, 5 into 4I, plus 2 into z3. Okay, so minus 3 plus 2I. Okay, now we have to find out, solve this. 2 into 7 will be 14, plus 2 into I will be 2I. 14 into 2I minus 5 into 4, 20I, minus 2 into minus 3 will be minus 6, and 2 into 2 will be 4I. Okay, so 14 plus 2I minus, all will be minus, so minus 20I, minus minus plus 6, and minus plus minus 4I. Now I को हम एक साथ लिखते हैं, and 14 and 6, so 14 plus 6 will be 20, and I को will write एक साथ, तो 2 minus 20 and minus 4I, so it will be 20 and minus 22I. Okay, so this will be the value. Okay, now we'll see multiplication. How we'll do multiplication, and what value we are getting after, we'll get after multiplying two complex number. So if z1 is equal to a plus ib and z2 is equal to c plus id, then what we have to do, we have to multiply z1 and z2. So what value we'll get? See, a plus ib into c plus id. Okay, so first of all we'll multiply a with both them, ac plus a into id, so id, I into ad. Now my bi से हम मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे c को, तो i b c, and I into I, तो I square b and d. So I square को हम माइनस लिख सकते हैं, -1. So ac plus, these two are I ना, ad plus bc. Okay, and this one will be minus bd. Why? Because I square is equal to, because I square will be equal to -1. Okay, so AC minus BD plus I into AD plus BC. Okay, so real, what will be the real of Z1, Z2? That will be equal to this one, AC minus BD, and what will the imaginary part of Z1 into Z2? That will be AD plus BC. Okay, I hope you understood the concept. I hope you understood the sums. For any query, any doubt, please comment. Do like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to click on the bell icon. Thank you.